So now let's see how we can use the Find Edges effect inside of HitFilm. So to do that, over here, you need to go around over here on the Effects tab. And then what you need to do is you need to go around over here under the Stylize folder right here. And then you can see that Find Edges is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out right here, so let's just go around and click and drag this out right here on my particular clip, then you get the Find Edges effect right here. You can also go around and bring in the Find Edges as a part of like a separate track right here, so that all the layers beneath it is affected. But I'm just going to go around and demonstrate the Find Edges from this particular effect that is kept on the video itself. So once I go around and click on the clip right here, then this is what you have, as you can see. So the effect is quite simple. It simply finds out the edges, as you can see right here. And as I were to go around and invert it, then it detects out the edges right here, and then will show it out right here. If I were to go around and bring in another Find Edges right here, then you can see it inverts right here and then adds it in just like this. So you can go around, and to multiply it, you can simply go around and add in multiple edges, as you can see right here. And this is the end result where you can see the edges of the effect right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and utilize the Find Edges effect. As you can see, there's not much to do except to invert out the edges with this effect. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.